New studies released by the CDC highlight the effectiveness of mask wearing tied to low COVID-19 numbers in schools. Thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Ron Jones.
And I'm Jennifer Bellamy. So what does this Georgia latest school age report show? Paula Suro is joining us now live from the CDC with more. Paula.
Yeah, Jennifer, you know, the last 2 weeks, the numbers among K-12 students statewide look promising, but that hasn't stopped a teacher I spoke to today from wearing his mask in the classroom after several of his students have gotten sick and tested positive for COVID-19.
I'm fortunate that at least what I'm risking myself for is really worthwhile.
Nick Hodge teaches high school English in a district where masks are encouraged but not required. He says after several outbreaks at the beginning of the school year, mask wearing has become more common. Even he and his wife, who were both vaccinated, had the virus.
The number of cases that we've had has dropped dramatically. I will say more of the students are wearing masks.
His observation similar to what the CDC released in studies. One report found that counties that had no mask requirements in schools had a higher rate of pediatric COVID-19 cases after the beginning of the school year compared to schools that did have requirements. The study highlights that schools that required masks had 16 cases per 100,000 children in the first week of classes compared to schools without, which had 34 cases per 100,000 children.
I'm not surprised by that. I believe in science. I'm familiar with some of those studies.
In Georgia, the Department of Public Health school surveillance report shows that statewide cases from the last 2 weeks among K-12 students have decreased. Cobb and DeKalb counties are seeing numbers go down, while Fulton and Gwinnett counties have as well, but by less than 5%.
I don't think we're done with it. I hope we are. I certainly hope we are, but I doubt that we are.
We all certainly hope so. Now, our Reveal investigator Rebecca Lindstrom has actually analyzed how outbreaks vary on different districts here in Georgia, depending on whether mask mandates are in place. We've got that story on 11alive.com right now.